Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to edit metadata in Audacity. So for example, we have here this one track. So first we need to select track which we want to edit. So for example, I click somewhere here and then I need to go to edit. Now we need to go to Metadata Editor and here we can type artist name, track title, album title, track number, year, genre and comments. So if you want to type artist name, you need to click somewhere here and you need to type here name. For example, I type here Martin. On track title, I will type simple track title. On album title, I type tutorial. Track number, maybe number 2. Year 2025. Genre maybe audio. And comments, it is simple comment. Okay, so if you want to make changes, you need to click OK button. And from this moment metadata will be successfully edited. You can check it by going to Edit and Metadata Editor. How you see it has been successfully saved here. So it's all for today. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.